Hi, my name is Jeffrey. Welcome to another episode of Learn with Signature. Today, let's talk about storage ideas for bathroom. Okay, so what do we usually store in the bathroom? Example, like a cabinet like this configuration. We call it the for his and for hers configuration. Mainly, they are in master bedrooms, right? So over here in the cabinet, so we can put in a lot of stuff like toiletries, maybe some cleaning agents that we use for the bathroom, we can always store inside. And beside enclosed inside cabinet, we can have open shelves that we can put in towels and daily easy reachable items from the shelves. When we come to storage, this is one of the big bathroom. We can have storage which hang here. This is the simple storage that you can have compartments inside, nicely shelved. Then you can put your things in accordance to this partition. Then beside this, we have more regular type of cabinets which is under the counters. They can put all our toiletries as well as the cleaning agents we need for the bathroom. So storage, this is how we manage into the bathroom area. In the event that you have a real luxury space for big bathroom, we can also put in the wardrobe into the bathroom. We have prepared here for his and for hers. So usually people ask, why would you want to put wardrobe into the bathroom? Okay, so this is a common wear that you're gonna wear in-house before you go out. A quick change from the bathroom. Once you get up from the bathroom, dry up and quick change, then you can just walk out. Else, you have to walk out from the bathroom, only you can reach to your wardrobe to get your clothings. So usually we will get our folded clothings, our innerwear, then our clothings, you can get it from here straight away. Real easy. In the event that you want to keep the sink that provided by the developer, so this is one of the options that we can do. We build a countertop around your sink so that we can have space to put in your toiletries, toothbrush, and so on. Alternatively, we can have open shelves in order to put your loose items, maybe hand towels and toiletries into the open shelves. Here, this is one of my favorite. Do you know what is this cabinet called? Usually we will call it as medicine cabinet. Why we call it medicine cabinet? So this is the one that when we open up and it has tiny spaces that we can organize things inside. Medicine cabinet, they will put the medicine inside this cupboard so that they are up high, unreachable by the kids, so that they can't reach on and take the medicines. Okay, so beside medicine, what can we put here? The facial cream, facial wash, maybe cologne, perfume. This will eventually help us to declutter the things on the countertop. Everything will be tucked in neatly and enclosed behind the cabinet. So we come to the end of the video. So hopefully you have enjoyed the video and learned something today. If you have any comments, please leave it below. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to the channel. My name is Jeffrey, signing off. Thank you. Bye-bye.